Hey friends, if Windows is showing the Ethernet icon instead of Wi-Fi here, then please watch this video. Now, the obvious answer is that make sure that the Ethernet is not connected and the Wi-Fi is connected. But let us assume that the Wi-Fi is connected and the Ethernet is not connected and it's still showing it. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on Ethernet and select disable. Okay. Now, if the Ethernet is disabled, Ethernet will definitely not work. Wi-Fi may or may not work. That's a different case. So this is how you can disable that part. If it still persists, then you can right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The last solution will be to update the network drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Okay, expand the list for wireless adapters. Okay, for network adapters, right click on the MediaTek one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.